Ever wish your internet could keep up with your fast-paced life? Today, we're diving into a trick that can help you boost your internet speed by using both Wi-Fi and mobile data at the same time. Let's start with Android. Go to your phone settings. The location of this feature may vary based on your Android device. The most common way is to search for connections, then navigate to Wi-Fi once you're there. Look for Wi-Fi Assistant or Smart Network Switch. It might also be under Advanced Wi-Fi settings. Enable this option. What this does is intelligently switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or even use them simultaneously to give you the best possible connection based on signal strength. Now, not all Android phones have this feature built in. If you don't see it, don't worry. There are third-party apps that can help. Head over to the Google Play Store and search for Internet Speed Booster or Network Speed Test. There are many apps available that can combine your Wi-Fi and mobile data. Download one with good ratings and reviews. Give it the necessary permissions and follow its specific instructions to activate simultaneous usage. Do remember to read any reviews to see the quality of the speed boost the app is providing. For iPhone users, unfortunately, iOS doesn't natively support combining Wi-Fi and cellular data, but there are still ways to optimize your connection. Ensure Wi-Fi Assist is turned on. To do this, go to Settings, then Cellular, and scroll all the way down to find Wi-Fi Assist and enable it. The Wi-Fi Assist does not provide simultaneous usage. This feature automatically uses cellular data when Wi-Fi connectivity is poor. With these easy steps, you should experience a faster, more reliable connection, whether you're browsing, streaming, or downloading. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.